Do you need to replace the power button on your Dell XPS 9640? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Now, really quickly, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap and you can use an ESD mat. Okay, first thing you'll do is unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base. Now disconnect the battery cable. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unscrew the GPU cooling fan. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the cable to remove it. Now unscrew the CPU cooling fan and unclip the locking tab and disconnect the cable to remove it. Now unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Then to unscrew and remove the discrete graphics heatsink, follow the number sequence shown here. And the process is the same for integrated graphics. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi cable bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the power button cable. Then disconnect the speaker cables. Now unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the touch panel cable. Now unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard controller cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Next, unscrew and remove the power button bracket. Then remove the power button, routing the cable through the palm rest. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processors before reattaching the heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.